step into the Dodge 2018 Journey say. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include billet clear coat, engine, 2.4 Li4 DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, black top package included, black headlamp bezels wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 aluminum with black top package gloss black grille, quick order package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li4 DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP rear view auto dim mirror with display park view rear backup camera, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, connectivity group included, radio 4.3 SU connect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped shift knob leather-wrapped steering wheel, radio, 4.3S included, Sirius satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888-539